Hi friends, today we're going to learn something new. We're going to learn about something called model drawing. So, model drawing is a way to solve addition and subtraction problems. So, we're going to go through some slides together. The first step of model drawing is to read the problem. So, listen as I read this problem to you. Mrs. Graves has 8 pieces of chocolate. She found 2 more pieces in her desk. How many pieces of chocolate does she have in all? So we read the whole problem. That was step 1. Step 2 is we are going to write the question for what it is that we're trying to find out. So let's listen to that again. Mrs. Graves has 8 pieces of chocolate. She found 2 more pieces in her desk. How many pieces of chocolate does she have in all? So what is it that we're trying to figure out? We're trying to figure out how many pieces of chocolate she has. So we're going to write, Mrs. Graves has blank pieces of chocolate. Next, we are going to write out what it is that we're trying to find. So we know that she had pieces of chocolate. And we're going to draw our bars. She had 8 pieces of chocolate in her desk. So we have 8 boxes for our 8 pieces of chocolate. She found 2 more in her desk. So we added 2 more squares. So we have 8 that she found in her desk first, and then the 2 that she found. Now what we're going to do is we're going to count all of the squares that we've drawn. That's what we're trying to figure out. There are 10 pieces of chocolate in all. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now we can fill in our missing number. Mrs. Graves has 10 pieces of chocolate. Let's try another one. There were 10 candy hearts in a box. Sarah ate 6 of them. How many candy hearts were left in the box? So we've read our problem. Step 2 is to think of what it is that we're trying to find out. How many hearts are in the box? So there were blank hearts in the box. Then we are going to write down what it is that we're using. We're trying to find our candy hearts. And so we're going to draw our squares to show the 10 candy hearts that were in the box. There's our 10 squares for our 10 candy hearts. She ate 6 of them, so we are going to cross out 6 of our boxes. We need to figure out how many she had left. Those are going to be our boxes that we did not cross off. So there were 4 boxes left. So there were 4 candy hearts left. So we have to do 2 steps. The first step is 6 plus what equals 10. So we did that when we drew our boxes. We had 10 pieces of candy. We needed to figure out how many of them she ate. That was our 4 that we didn't cross off. We can also do a subtraction problem. 10 minus 6 equals 4. So she had 10 pieces of candy. She ate 6 of them. That left her with 4 pieces of candy. So that is how you solve a model drawing problem. All you do is draw squares and either add on or cross off to solve your problem.